Hi, this is Luke Reimer from the Inside BlackBerry blog, and I'm here in the BlackBerry Porsche with Justin from the QNX team. So this is the car that actually won the Car Tech category Best in Show from CNET for CES 2012. Thanks for joining me, Justin. Why don't you tell me a little bit about the features of the car?
Sure. Well, this is a multi-node, fully digital, fully connected concept vehicle. Everything from the digital instrument cluster, digital chrono, all the way through to a retrofitted in-dash system as well as rear seat entertainment systems. The first thing what we're going to do is really show instant Bluetooth pairing leveraging NFC. So a big kind of distraction in the car, a big problem in the car, sometimes people don't really get Bluetooth pairing and it's sometimes very difficult to do. So what we've done is kind of taken the guesswork out of it. So we have NFC tags buried here and actually underneath here. So what I'm going to do is I have a phone and I'll show you just for proof's sake that they're not paired. I haven't done anything special. There's no pairing or anything like that in them. So I'm going to actually take it here and stick it in the armrest. And then just give it a sec, and then we will have a Bluetooth connection. Yep, so there we go. It's connected. So once we have the Bluetooth connection, we have a smartphone, we have email, we have calendar, contact information. I want to be able to take that information and bring it on to my car. So I'm actually going to leverage BlackBerry Bridge for the phone and the head unit. We're going to do that secure link. So now we have that secure connection over Bridge. So one of the neat things that we've done is we've actually augmented some of the Bridge functionality. And we've started doing things like plumbing contact information into the nav system. So it's a simple one-touch plotting of the route to a contact site. The next thing I'm going to show you is some of the multimedia aspects of it. So as I'd mentioned earlier, this is truly a multinodal environment. So what I mean by that is I have 3 distinct media sources, the head unit and 2 rear seat entertainment systems. And as you can see here, I have command and control over all of the nodes or all of the systems in the car. I can select controlling of the left rear seat. I can control it and it's playing a song on the left rear seat. I can also do cool things like from the center console, pull content from the right rear seats, so or any of the rear seats. So if you think about it, in terms of somebody bringing a tablet into the car, docking it with the car, I can select and play songs off of their playlists. So I'll select the song doesn't actually exist on the head unit, it resides on the rear seat entertainment system, but I'm able to play it seamlessly. Some of the other goodness here, because we base this on the PlayBook platform, all of the applications just work. So we have app world connectivity, we can download any apps we want right into the head unit, into the rear seat entertainment systems, and use any app that you want.
So tell me about the heads-up display here that I have in front of me and in the center.
Sure, so the instrument cluster itself is it's designed by the concept team at QNX. We put all of this together. It's a multiple mode instrument cluster. It's a race mode. You'll see the track mode that keeps popping up in the demonstration mode. There's a drive mode as well. Some of the features that didn't quite make it, just we didn't have enough time sitting on my bench in my lab back home, but taking the turn-by-turn from the nav and actually exporting it onto the instrument cluster as well. The media metadata, so when I'm playing a track here, I know I can see the track information in my instrument cluster as well. And we also replaced the analog chronometer in the car with a digital one. So do lap timing and things like that.
So where do you see the future going, in terms of QNX in the auto space?
So next generation QNX car is an HTML5 based full application platform. So developers for the automotive OEMs and tier 1s will be able to take our HTML5 platform and start building the next generation infotainment telematics systems. What's really important to understand is the concept car is pulling key technologies from our next generation platform as well as incorporating a lot of the next generation research and motion technologies with respect to OS 2 coming out on the PlayBook and bringing those together in a very cohesive concept design.
Great, well thanks so much for joining me today, and I'm excited to see where the future takes us in terms of QNX and integration with the auto industry.
So are we. Thanks a lot, Luke.